A Notion of Animals, Day 2. Today you will need your eyes for reading and your listening ears. We are reading the same book from Maayan that we looked at yesterday, A Notion of Animals. You are going to complete the Venn diagram that you see. You're going to look for things that are special to the sunlight zone, the dark zone, and things that they have in common, which you'll record right here under both. Right here. Here's the vocabulary that we talked about yesterday. Bursting means to pop open or explode. Scuttle, to run with very quick, short steps. Overhead, above the level of the head, into the sky. Clinging means grabbing or holding on to something, and graze means to look for and slowly eat food. A notion of animals full of life. Looking from shore, the ocean seems to hold just water, but it is bursting with animals. These animals live in different parts of the ocean or zones. Coastal zone. The coastal zone is where land meets water. Coastal animals often live in and out of water. Crabs scuttle on the beach. Seabirds fly overhead. Sunlight zone. The sunlight zone is the top layer of the ocean. Most of the world's fish live in this zone. Small fish munch plants. Sharks eat the small fish. Coral reefs grow in the sunlight zone in shallow water. Millions of animals live on each reef. Sea anemones spend their lives clinging to one piece of coral. Mammals live in the sunlight zone too. Manatees graze on seagrass. Sea otters dive and play in seaweed. Giant blue whales swim in the open ocean. Twilight zone. The twilight zone starts about 660 feet or 200 meters deep. It gets very little sunlight. The dragonfish has lights on its body to lure prey to it. Dark zone. The dark zone is about 3,300 feet, or 1,000 meters deep. It's very dark and very cold. Tube worms cluster around thermal vents to stay warm. Unknown life. More than half of Earth is covered in very deep water. Very little has been explored. Who knows what animals scientists will find in the future? Fun facts. If a sea star's arm breaks off, it can grow another one. Animals like seals, beluga whales, and walruses live in the cold waters near the North and South Poles. They all have a thick layer of fat called blubber to keep them warm. The whale shark is the world's largest shark. It gets about 45 feet or 14 meters long. Sea otters eat shellfish, such as clams. They smash the shells open by hitting them against a rock. To scare away predators, the porcupine fish sucks in water. Its body fills up to appear twice its normal size. Its spines pop out too. Here's today's task. You are going to revisit the story. Complete the Venn diagram and look for things that are the same and the things that are different. Right here you see our Venn diagram. On one side, you're going to record things that are special to the sunlight zone. Then you are going to record things that are special to the dark zone. Right here in the middle, you are going to record things that are the same for both.